Well, the issue is, how old is your roof? The insurance companies now have changed the guidelines on roofs here in Florida for a variety of reasons. We won't talk about that right now, but the regular rule now is 15 years. If your roof is older than 15 years, what's going to happen is you're going to cut down on the number of people who can actually buy your house. So what you're doing is you're shrinking your pool by not replacing that roof. Okay, let me kind of explain to you what I mean by that. So let's say, for instance, a person is paying $2,000 a year in insurance. Okay, that affects how much house they can actually buy. Okay, let me just make it an easy number for math purposes. Let's just say $2,400. So they're paying $200 a month in insurance. Okay, so now if you turn around and you get a new roof on there, okay, now their insurance might drop down to $1,200 because they got a new roof on there. Now they can afford more house. And so because they can afford more house, now your pool of buyers get larger because you have more buyers that can afford the same house because the cost of insurance on that house is smaller. And so when you think you're really being smart and not replacing the roof, and you know it's 20 years old, well, I ain't replacing nothing. They're going to buy it just like it is. Well, you think you're being smart, but you're hurting yourself in the long run because you could easily replace that roof and add that to the purchase price. Or you could replace the roof, and there are some roofers, I have 3 that are closed, that'll get paid at closing. So it doesn't cost you anything to replace the roof. The new buyer is going to pay for the roof. You just turn around and add the price to it. Add the price of the roof to the sales price, and when the buyer buys the house, he pays for the roof with the proceeds from the sale. So there are a lot of reasons why you want to do it, but the number one reason is the buyer is paying all that money for the house. He doesn't want to be inconvenienced with worrying about a roof, worrying about the next storm that's going to come by, and we getting ready to come into storm season. We in rain season. They don't want to deal with that roof repairs and negotiation. Another thing you could do is you could speed up the sales process with a beautiful new roof. It makes everything go quicker. Secondly, a lot of the lending companies now are asking about the age of the roof. So now not only do you have the insurance companies wanting to know about the age of the roof, you got the lending companies want to know about the age of the roof. Why do they want to know about the age of the roof? Because they know if it's an old roof, it's going to jack up the cost of the insurance, and that buyer is going to only be able to buy less because he's paying more for insurance. Decrease the insurance, buyer can get more house. So that's the number one reason why you want to do it. So the lending companies say, replace your roof. Speed up the process, replace the roof. You know, you can increase your asking price, so just replace the roof, and you can save time in negotiation and repairs by just replacing the roof, people. It's worth it.